This video is brought to you by Granger Motors, where you can save up to $1,300 on a factory extended warranty on your new Ford or Ram, Jeep, Chrysler vehicle.
I was here at the drag strip in Iowa about 2 years ago. That time I brought an F-150 Lightning electric truck and I drag raced against a very special Ram TRX Tyrant.
Yeah, and we have another Tyrant here, so we're representing the TRX again, but yeah, that F-150 Lightning, it's kind of old news at this point.
And it lost.
Yeah, it did. So we brought something that might give this a little more competition.
So this is a Cybertruck, belongs to us. So how about we have some fun and do some drag racing?
Who doesn't love drag racing? We're here at the Humboldt County drag strip in Iowa, and we're about to take these two trucks down the drag strip and see which one is faster. Never gets old starting up a TRX.
So I'm gonna go to sport mode. It should lower. I'm hunkering down. I don't know what's gonna happen right now. The Cybertruck is super quick off the line. It should have really repeatable, really easygoing performance.
So Andre wanted to stick me in the stock TRX to start out, which I guess is fair. We'll get a baseline, see how it does. I am gonna go into sport mode. And of course the TRX has launch control, but I don't really think we're even gonna need to use that. Andre told me I should turn the AC off. I don't think I need to do that. I think this truck's got him even in stock form. I am gonna brake torque it a little bit, probably get it up to like 1600 RPM, maybe a little higher since we are on a glued prep drag surface. But yeah, just gonna give it a little bit of brake torque and launch down the strip. You ready to do some racing?
Are you ready to lose?
Not at all.
Okay, we're ready. Come on, Cybertruck. Oh, it's picking up.
Oh my God, he's pulling away.
Come on, go.
I had him off the start. And it was actually really close in the 8th mile. Not so much in the quarter. He was taken off.
I didn't have a very good launch. He actually had me at launch.
I thought I had you. You came out of nowhere.
I fell asleep a little bit. Sorry about that. And then somehow my electric motors came out.
Yeah, so even though you, I got the better launch for sure, but didn't matter.
Well, what do you want to do now?
I think I need the more powerful truck if I'm gonna have any sort of a shot.
Wow, that was a surprise. Maybe it has to do with aerodynamics. The Cybertruck is on 35s. The TRX is on 35s. They weigh about the same. This truck weighs about, what, 66, 70? That truck weighs about 65, 80. Maybe the hot temperature is bothering that TRX because my electric motors don't care about humidity or they haven't built up heat yet.
All right, so we've got the draggy report here. Quarter mile time you can see was just over 13 seconds, 13.07.
Actually, it's not bad for a hot day, dude.
No, it's really hot out here today. Super humid.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, so not a bad result, but I'm gonna hand this off to you and we'll see what the Cybertruck does.
Okay. I think they call it corn sweat, actually.
Yeah, what is corn sweat?
It's when it's really hot in the Midwest and the sun is basically pulling the humidity out of the cornfields and you get more humidity.
So we're drenched in corn sweat today. So look, I know Andre beat me in that race and performance and numbers definitely important. It is impressive that that Cybertruck was able to beat this beast of a truck, but I don't even care. I mean, if I were going out and buying a truck, this would be it. I want the supercharger sound, not the electric motor sound that comes out of the Tesla. So yeah, even though Andre might be getting down the quarter mile quicker than I am, I'm having more fun than he is today. I do have that though, the Tyrant. And it's got this big red R on the back to show you it's a Tyrant. So we're gonna switch trucks, up the horsepower a little bit, see if I can take it.
This video could not be possible without Zach and his team. and our friends in the Granger Motors, right?
Yeah, of course. They do some pretty badass stuff to these TRXs.
Yes, and of course, it all looks stock. So if you didn't know any better, you would think, oh, it's just a regular old Ram TRX, right?
Yeah, exactly. There's one little hint towards the back of the truck that gives it away that this is a special TRX.
Yeah.
But yeah, starts with a 6.2 liter supercharged V8. And then Granger does a ton of stuff to it to up the horsepower by a whole lot.
Yeah, actually, when I was here last time, Aaron, the engineer behind this, kind of walked me through it. And so basically they changed a couple of pulleys. So the crank pulley is mounted a little bit more firmly. They changed the top pulley for the supercharger, right? So, and then they changed the injectors and coils and spark plugs. So there's more fuel coming in, there's more spark. And of course, it always breathes air, lots of it, and 787 horsepower because they do a lot of software tuning about it.
And what's the stock number? It's what, 702?
702.
Yeah.
So you're getting a big bump in power.
Big gains, and yeah, looking under the hood, you really wouldn't be able to tell unless you start taking it apart.
Let me take a minute to tell you about this video's sponsor, Granger Motors, and their extended factory warranties for new vehicles. Today, more than ever, an extended factory warranty is a worthwhile consideration. The new cars and trucks coming out pack more amazing, yet unproven tech and complexity than ever. Knowing this, an extended factory warranty buys you peace of mind. If something goes wrong, you're covered for repairs and parts for years after the original warranty expires. A factory-backed warranty means repairs are done by factory-trained technicians who know your vehicle inside and out and are trained to repair known problems. A factory-backed warranty ensures that your car or truck gets replaced with true factory parts and in some cases upgraded factory parts to fix those known issues. So next time you buy a new Ford or Ram, Jeep, Dodge or Chrysler vehicle, go to Granger Motors for an extended factory warranty. Granger is the #1 seller of Ford Protect warranties and one of the top sellers of Mopar vehicle protection warranties in the country. This volume lets their customers save an average of $1,300, so what are you waiting for?
Now for the Tyrant. Still got the same glorious sound, but now with a little more power.
This is the main event. Cybertruck dual motor foundation series versus Ram TRX Tyrant by Granger Motors.
All right, we're all lined up. Got my left foot on the brake again. The sun is glaring right into our eyes. You ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh God! I hear thunder!
I cheated a little. We'll see if it matters.
Holy mother!
He's hanging out back there. Oh man, that's fast in a pickup truck. Holy cow.
He had me by so much. There's absolutely no way I could actually catch up to him.
Woo! White knuckling a little bit. I got a little excited.
I saw you. Whoop.
Yeah.
Do you want to try it again?
Yeah, we can do one more.
Dude, once I got up to speed, you were so far ahead of me, there's no way I couldn't do anything.
Yeah, you were hanging out back there though. It didn't seem like I was really gaining on you, so.
You want one more?
Yeah, let's do one more.
Okay.
I gotta say, these trucks like sound similar, they look similar. This feels a lot different going down the track strip
Can you
than the
actually
last
feel?
TRX. Yes.
You feel that?
Oh yeah.
So here's my data. Quarter mile in 12.67. 12.67 quarter mile, and I'm moving at 106.39 miles per hour.
Oh, that sound never gets old. We're gonna do another because I got excited.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. All right, we'll make this a little bit of a more fair race, hopefully, but we're just out here having fun. And honestly, racing's all about cheating anyway. All right, so 13.07 in the quarter mile in the stock TRX, 12.67 in the Cybertruck. So that's our number to beat, is 12.67.
better launch. Oh, is he getting too hot? No, he's not. He's walking away from me. Oh, Gapplebees. Oh my God, dude, your brakes are smoking.
Are they?
You gotta keep going.
I can feel it.
These brakes are on fire. So TRX Tyrant doesn't upgrade your brakes. It just upgrades your power. And when you're moving 600 pounds at over 107 miles an hour, your brakes start to cook.
We're gonna check our times when we get back to the end of the drag strip. I gotta get some air into these brakes. After, what was that, 2 runs, already felt some brake fade, and I really couldn't go any easier on the brakes. We don't have a ton of runoff space at the end here, so let them cool down a little bit. Here's the moment of truth. We just beat him. 12.61. I've got some bad news for you, my friend.
What is it? 12.61?
12.61, just eked out the Cybertruck.
But my best time was 12.67. But what happened in the last race is I was like this with you, and then after 8th mile you started just walking away from me.
Yeah.
There's nothing I can do. I mean, there's nothing.
I think both these trucks are getting a little bit hot.
Your brakes were smoking.
Yeah.
I think I got it on this camera. There was like smoke billowing out of those brakes.
I was like, didn't give myself a ton of extra room to slow down. There wasn't much more.
So you clamped down on it.
I mean, yeah, I had to clamp down pretty hard, but that's kind of all I could do. It's a short drag strip.
Well, you know there's a cornfield back there.
Yeah, I don't want to take that brand new truck through a cornfield. I'll leave that to you.
Okay. Dude, that was so much fun because it was unpredictable, because I thought this would probably beat the regular TRX no problem, and it was kind of weird, but it did beat it.
Yeah, it was kind of an unexpected result, honestly.
And then I had no idea this would walk away so quickly, especially at the higher speeds, right? It just kept moving.
Yeah, kept going and kept going. You were right there in my mirror, and I thought you were just gonna stick there kind of the whole time, but I did eventually start creeping away from you.
Well, this was an amazing time. I want to once again thank our friends here at Humboldt County Dragway and of course Granger Motors. What should we do next year?
Hopefully there's a new super truck on the market.
How about a Rivian quad motor generation 2 1000 horsepower truck plus against, you know, Zach at Granger Motor has something spicy.
Really spicy. He's got a sweet Viper that, yeah, we might need to see come down the drag strip at some point.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time at oldtfl.com. See you soon.